morning, class. Again, we will start our class with this pledge. So let us take pledge with me. I, Kulvinder, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So class, today we'll do revision for unit test. First chapter from civics. The union legislatures, name of the chapter is the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. First question, the name two sets of authority under the federal setup in India. Answer is union government and state government. India के अंदर दो setup authorities under the federal setup. These are union government and state government. What is meant by parliament? Answer is the Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. Parliament क्या है? Supreme body है. It is bicameral legislature composed of the president and two houses, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. तो पार्लियामेंट में क्या क्या है? बायकैमरल है, मीन्स इसके टू हाउसेज है, लोक सभा एंड राज्य सभा एंड प्रेसिडेंट. नेक्स्ट, नेम द टू हाउसेज ऑफ द इंडियन पार्लियामेंट. इंडियन पार्लियामेंट के टू हाउसेज कौन से हैं? द लोक सभा एंड द राज्य सभा. लोक सभा इज द अपर हाउस एंड राज्य सभा इज द लोअर हाउस ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट एंड Council of States is another name for Rajya Sabha. Next, name three components of the Indian Parliament. Indian Parliament के three components. These are President and two houses of the Parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So three components of Indian Parliament are President and two houses, Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Next, why is the Lok Sabha? Why is the Lok Sabha called the lower house and the Rajya Sabha as the upper house? The members of the Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people. On the other hand, the members of the Rajya Sabha are not directly elected. Hence the Lok Sabha is called the lower house of the Parliament of India, whereas the Rajya Sabha is called the upper house. तो क्या है? लोक सभा लोअर हाउस है, राज्य सभा अपर हाउस है. जो लोक सभा है उसको क्यों बोला जाता है लोअर हाउस? क्योंकि इसके जो मेंबर्स ऑफ द लोक सभा है वो डायरेक्टली इलेक्ट किए जाते हैं पीपल्स के द्वारा. ऑन द अदर हैंड द मेंबर्स ऑफ राज्य सभा आर नॉट डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम strength of the Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha की maximum strength. Maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is 552 members, 530 members to represent the states, 20 members to represent the union territories, and 2 members to be nominated by the president from the Anglo-Indian community. Next, how many members can the president nominate to Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha? Which community do they represent? 2 members are nominated to the Lok Sabha and 12 members to Rajya Sabha by the president. So president 2 member Lok Sabha के लिए और 12 members Rajya Sabha के लिए nominate कर सकता है. They represent the Anglo-Indian community. Anglo-Indian community को represent करता है लोक सभा में. And for the members of Rajya Sabha, the president tried to choose the members from the field of literature, science, art and social services. इन fields में से members वो nominate करता है राज्य सभा के लिए. ठीक है? What is the criteria for the nomination of members to the Lok Sabha by the president? 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community are nominated by the president. लोक सभा के लिए 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community are nominated by the president. 2 members Anglo-Indian community के लिए president nominate कर सकता है लोक सभा के लिए. Who administers oath of office to members of parliament? Chairman in the chamber of Rajya Sabha. Chairman oath देता है राज्य सभा में. Who is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha? The vice president of India. इंडिया का vice president होता है, वो एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरपर्सन होता है. नेम द बिल दैट कैन नॉट ओरिजिनेट इन द राज्य सभा. मनी बिल. Who elects the deputy chairman? Rajya Sabha elects the deputy chairman from among its members. राज्यसभा के अपने ही मेंबर में से चेयरमैन इलेक्ट किया जाता है. नेम द लॉ मेकिंग बॉडी ऑफ द यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. यूनियन गवर्नमेंट की लॉ मेकिंग बॉडी कौन सी है? पार्लियामेंट. What is meant by the term universal adult franchisee? A citizen of India who has attained the age of 18 years is entitled to vote is called the universal adult franchisee. How are the members of the Lok Sabha elected? So answer is Lok Sabha members are directly elected by the people of India on the basis of universal adult franchisee. लोक सभा के members हम खुद इलेक्ट करते हैं, बट कंडीशन इज देयर कि वही वोट डाल के वोट डाल सकता है जो एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइजी के अकॉर्डिंग एज पर एज है. व्हाट इज कोरम? तो कोरम क्या है? A quorum is the minimum number of members required to be present in the Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha before a meeting is allowed to begin. तो मीटिंग स्टार्ट करने के लिए उसमें कितने मेंबर प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए लोकसभा या राज्यसभा के? दैट इज कोरम. कोरम इज द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स रिक्वायर्ड to be present in the Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha before a meeting is allowed to begin. मीटिंग शुरू करने के लिए. Who presides over the meetings of Rajya Sabha? The Vice President presides over the Rajya Sabha meetings. Vice President, because it's the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha. Vice President is the presiding officer of the Rajya Sabha and Speaker is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. Who presides over the meetings of the Rajya Sabha in the absence of the Vice President? Deputy Chairman. Who presides over the joint session of the two houses of the parliament? The joint session of the parliament is called by the president and is presided over by the speaker. President बुलाएगा but speaker उसे presided over करेगा. When can the speaker of Lok Sabha cast his her vote? Speaker का वोट डाल सकता है. When the house is divided equally on any question, the speaker is entitled to vote. Such vote is called casting vote. Casting vote क्या होती है? ये भी यही है कि जब when the house is divided equally on any question, एक क्वेश्चन के लिए equally 50-50 हो जाता है, the speaker is entitled to vote. जब पता नहीं चलता कि किस फेवर में हमने डिसीजन लेना है, देन स्पीकर इज इंटाइटल टू वोट. सच वोट इज कॉल्ड कास्टिंग वोट. तो इट इज कॉल्ड कास्टिंग वोट. व्हाट इज मीन बाय कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी? What is meant by constituency? It is well defined territorial area which is called upon to elect a member to represent it in the Lok Sabha or legislative assemblies. तो जो constituency बन जाती है election के टाइम. Name the language in which the business of the parliament is transacted. The business in parliament is transacted in Hindi and English. Indian English में चलता है उसकी meetings parliaments की. Mention two important powers and functions of the Lok Sabha speaker. To regulate the proceeding of the house, maintain discipline in the house, receive petition and documents addressed to the house. These are the important powers and functions of the speaker. Mention one advantage of the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha का कोई one advantage बताओ. We have two advantages are there. Lok Sabha is considered the mirror and voice of the nation as its members are directly elected by the people. It is the Lok Sabha which makes, supports and throws out governments. लोक सभा इट इज़ लोक सभा है जो क्या करती है, विच मेक्स बनाती है, सपोर्ट करती है, एंड अगर गवर्नमेंट अच्छा काम नहीं करती तो उसको अपने पोस्ट से हटा भी सकती है. स्टेट द मिनिमम ऑफ टाइम्स द लोक सभा मस्ट मीट इन अ ईयर. लोक सभा के सेशंस कितने होने चाहिए इन अ ईयर? 3 होने चाहिए. 3 सेशंस. समर सेशन Feb to May के विचकार, MONSOON मानसून सेशन जुलाई टू सितंबर, विंटर सेशन नवंबर टू दिसंबर. नेक्स्ट वी हैव Okay, we only up to this much. Short answers only up to this much. We'll continue with structured part in the next class. With this, goodbye to all of you.